You ever pick up a food package, flipped it over, started reading the nutrition label, and still had no idea what you were looking at? You're not alone, but today I'm going to be breaking it down so the next time you go shopping, you can make smarter food choices. Let's learn how to read these nutrition labels like a pro. First things first, serving size. This is the fine print of food, so to speak. It tells you the amount all these numbers are based on. The problem? Serving sizes are sometimes optimistic, like half a cookie. Who eats half a cookie? Nobody, not even the cookie manufacturer. If your product has 160 calories per serving and you eat 3 of them while you're reading your morning paper, congratulations, you've just eaten 480 calories. Nom 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 nom. Pro tip, always check the servings per container. It could save your life. So let's talk about these calories. This is how much energy you're getting from that serving. Now, don't fear these calories. They're not tiny little villains plotting against you. They're just fuel, but you should care about where they come from. 250 calories from nuts? Great! 250 calories from gummy worms? Not great. Delicious? Yes. Nutritious? No. Smart choice. Use calories as a guide, not a moral judgment. Here's where things get a little spicy. Macronutrients. The big 3, proteins, carbs, and what's the third one? Fats. It's not like I know this stuff. Fat isn't evil. It's actually essential. But watch out for the type. Saturated and trans fats? Keep them low. Unsaturated fats like olive oil and nuts? Those are the good guys, like the cool cousins at the family reunion. Then we got the carbs. Carbs are your body's preferred energy source. Look for fiber. The more, the better. But keep an eye on added sugars. If the sugar is too high, you're basically eating dessert for lunch. That brings us to the proteins. Protein keeps you full and fuels recovery. Bonus points if your snack has at least 5 to 10 grams. And if it has 0, you might be hungry again before you even put the wrapper in the trash. Watch out for low-fat products that secretly pack in sugar. That healthy yogurt might actually be a candy bar in disguise. Next up, micronutrients, the vitamins and minerals that keep your body running smoothly. Oh, and yes, they matter. Some of the things you want to look for: calcium for strong bones, iron for energy, potassium for heart health, and vitamin D for immunity and mood. If you ignore these, you might start feeling tired, cranky, or you might start yelling at inanimate objects. Not speaking from personal experience, probably. Come on, chair, get comfortable already. Ugh. See those percentages on the right? That's the percent daily value, based on a 2,000 calorie diet. It's kind of like a quick rating system for nutrients. Quick breakdown. If your percentage is 5% or less, it's considered low. If it's 20% or higher, it's considered high. Think of this section like a speedometer. Green zone for nutrients you want more of, red zone for the ones you want to slow down on. And finally, the ingredients list. This is where the truth comes out. It's like reading the credits of a movie. You get to find out who's really involved. Rule of thumb: if sugar is the first ingredient, then that energy bar is probably just a cookie with a gym membership. Watch out for hidden sugars like corn syrup, cane juice, or anything ending in OSE. Pro tip: if you can't pronounce it, maybe don't eat it every day. Unless it's quinoa. We love quinoa. And that's it! You now have the superpowers of reading nutrition label all the way through without falling asleep halfway through. As for me, I think I'm going to go read some nutrition labels just for fun. Ooh, an elevator. So if you learned something today, go ahead and share this with your healthy friend who still eats cupcakes for breakfast. Remember, stay smart, stay healthy, and the truth is always out there, or at least on the back of a package. Speaking of crazy diets, why don't cannibals eat clowns? I guess they think they taste funny. And don't forget, abs are made in the kitchen. Unfortunately, so are brownies. So watch out for that. If you're looking for some more entertaining yet informative videos, just click right here. I'll see you at the next one.